In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account public. So if you recently switched to a private account but now you don't want to have it anymore, here's how to go back. First, you need to open up your TikTok app. Once you're here, click on the bottom right to your profile and then click on top right for the hamburger menu and then settings and privacy. Once you're here, click on privacy and the first option you see, private account, just click on that and you will see switch to public account. What that means that anyone will be able to follow you and view your public posts. Anyone can do it with your videos, anyone can stitch with your videos, and anyone can download your videos. So if you're sure, click on switch, wait a second, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.